Hola, hola a todos. Y bienvenidos a un nuevo episodio de Inglés Americano Hecho Fácil. Y hoy, there is snow everywhere. Tons of snow. So today, I'm going to sled down the mountain or the hill with my friend. And like the true American that I am, I have corporate and sport team pictures on my sled. But yeah, look at all this snow. We got the day off school because the roads are so dirty. The roads have so much snow and ice on them. Here I am in the local park, and I'm here to go sled. Look at that. It is super windy, and there is lots of snow coming down and lots of snow on the ground. I know for lots of parts of Latin America and Spain, there is no snow all year, or very little. But let me tell you, it is not that good. You are not missing that much. It looks pretty, but it is so cold. And the only thing it's good for is getting off work and school occasionally.